Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really hyped because your girl got a natural hair wig and this one is affordable. And not only that, y'all, you can wear it 100% glueless. You all are consistently asking for more affordable natural hair wig options, so this one is going to be a great option. It's literally ready to go out of the package. It comes with pre-bleached knots. It comes with transparent lace. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. And y'all, this unit, the texture and everything matches our natural hair so beautifully, and it was extremely soft without having to apply any products or anything. I love the texture and how it looked right out of the package. I didn't actually have to define the curls by washing it first. Of course, you can wash it, but the option not to have to is amazing. It's already pre-plucked, as I shared with you guys, and the best part is this elastic band, y'all. It comes with an elastic band already pre-attached, and the placement of this elastic band is going to cause it to lay really flat, and you can wear the hair back off your face if you want. Everything about it is just going to look so realistic and natural, and I just love that. So I'm going to try it on with the lace on first, and I was really debating if I was going to secure it down with Got2b glue, but then I decided, let me try it on and see how well it fits and if it's going to lay really flat and fit super snug on my head. And y'all, it did. This unit is in length 16, but it actually looks like length 18, and I just loved the shape of this unit. I often find myself having to shape my curly textured units, but no, not with this one. Nina is ready to go, y'all, and the hairline is just phenomenal. I love that it covered my hairline really nicely. I always talk about the low hairline struggle, and this one is going to be good for us low hairline girls. So now, just cutting off the lace and everything, we're going to try it on again. And right now I'm just adjusting the elastic band, and I believe I put it on the second class. But before I actually put it on, I'm going to put on this wig grip. Now this one is new and innovative in that it has lace in the area where the parting is, and this is just what the back looks like. It has a Velcro attachment so that you can secure it around your head in the nape area. Now I'm going to put it on in the area where I want my parting to be. So because I'm planning to wear my unit in a side part, I'm going to actually position the parting space so that it's along the side, and I usually wear mine on the right side. So I just have it placed there, and then we're going to put our unit on, and I'm hoping that it's going to work out and I won't actually have to glue it down with Got2b glue or wig glue or anything. Now this wig alone is already extremely beginner friendly, but having a wig grip, something like this that's going to allow for you not to have to use any adhesive, is going to be a game changer. You're going to be able to put your units on super fast, and I found this actually on Amazon, and I tried it in the past, but I realized that I didn't have it on properly. But this time we are rocking and rolling. This unit looks so beautiful, and I love how everything just looks so seamless. I don't necessarily have to do baby hair, and look at this, guys. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. So right now I'm just taking my foundation color and I'm just going into the areas that may look a little light along the perimeter. But at this point I was really blown away because I went into this recording actually feeling like I'm going to secure this down. I'm going to melt the lace and everything with my Got2b glue. I had planned for it, but I didn't have to do that. So I'm just going to create some baby hair because y'all know I like baby hair. Just a little. I like them to be subtle. I'm not doing the most like some individuals. I'm not doing all that. But we're going to be using Edge Booster in order to lay down my edges. I tried this recently, y'all, and I've been telling everybody about it. I love it. And the cool thing about it is that it did give me some security in the front area, so I don't have to worry about it lifting or anything. So if you want some hold on the lace just in the front, and it's just slight hold, it will still come off easily at night, and I'll show you guys that later, but it really caused the unit not to move at all. And I was like, what? I had no idea. This edge control is really strong, and I like that it doesn't flake or anything. So right now I'm just fluffing out the hair a bit, and I was deciding if I was going to put any product on it, and as you all can see, you don't really need any, but I did decide to go in later with some product, and I'm going to show you all what my staple product is. So right now I'm just going into the parting space using my foundation powder, and this is going to help to mute the grids and just help to make the unit look even more natural. And as you all can see, you cannot even tell that I'm wearing a wig grip. In the past, when I wore them, I felt like they were so bulky and they made it look unrealistic. But this one, because it's so flat in the parting space, Oh, it's a game changer. It is so bomb. So right now I'm just applying some styler. I'm using the Dark and Lovely Curl Defining Glaze. Y'all know, if you've been an OG follower, I rave about this product. On my natural hair, it's bomb. On my textured units, it's bomb. It's just amazing. It just creates the perfect amount of shine as well as moisture. And I feel like when I apply this, I don't have to reapply for a few days. So I'm just gonna let you all watch this process and then I'll come back on in a moment. I do want to add that prior to applying the styler, I did spritz a bit of water on the hair and I just tried to use a generous amount just throughout. And I like to use the praying hand method at the end just to make sure that the ends are fully saturated with the product. And these are the finished results, guys. How fly is this unit? I got mine in 200% density because y'all know I love some big hair. But if you're not one that enjoys a great deal of volume, then go down in density. They do also offer it in 150% density. Once again, I got it in length 16, but y'all let me know. Doesn't this look longer than length 16? So you do get a good amount of bang for your buck, which is amazing. And look at this hairline. Everything is laid. It looks sleek. And this looks like it could be my hair. The shape is so phenomenal. It's a natural girl's dream. The back and everything just looks breathtaking. I just love it. I cannot wait to hear your comments and feedback. Let me know what you all think about this hair. Also, let me know what you think about this type of wig grip. Have you all tried this one specifically? I know it's been out for a little bit. I actually purchased mine last year sometime. I don't even know why I haven't been using it. Let me know if you tried the curl defining glaze. If not, you need to get that, guys. Also, this edge control. Let me know, have y'all tried edge booster? I am late to the party. I literally just tried it when I had my passion twist in, and I was like, man, I see what all the rave was about. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video, seeing another natural hair wig option, as well as how you can wear it 100% glueless, no glue, no gel. This wig is such a great beginner-friendly option, and I'm going to show you all now how you can actually remove it, which is just a matter of taking it off. It is not stuck to my head, although I did use that edge tamer. I told you guys, you can easily just lift it right on off, put it on your mannequin head, and be ready to chill for the evening. If you decide to wear it overnight, they do also offer bonnets on the website, so I'll link that as well, and I'm going to show you all what the bonnet looks like. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Love y'all. Bye.
You could be the muse to my passion. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, don't be what let it go. But something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign.